Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to make a laptop or desktop faster. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from a laptop or desktop, just go to start menu and just go to settings option. Once you click at the settings option, settings will have a lot of settings will be available. Just go to systems. Once you click at systems, there will be a system settings will be open here. Just scroll down, you will have a about system over here. So just hit the button of about. Once you click about, the about system will be open here. Just scroll down, you will have a advanced system settings will be available. Just choose advanced system settings. Once you click as advanced system settings, the pop-up will be open here. Just go to advanced option. Once you click advanced option, there will be a visual effects and process scheduling, memory usage and visual memory will be there. Just click a settings option. Once you click a settings option, there will be a let Windows choose what is the best for my computer will be there. Just select this one as a adjust for the best appearance. Once you click this one, automatically every tick will be enabled. Just click here to apply and click here to OK, means automatically your system will be faster than before. As you see here, I have witnessed all the things. Automatically it will move into a best performance with my section. So without any other delay, it will be open like easiest way to click to open. So before my system, it's not appears fast, but after the settings in system and about as well as the advanced settings will be automatically it will be open with the beautiful options. So try this, and if you make your system fast, means you just make this comment in your comment box. It's like good. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.